Lily and the Lost Kitten. Lily is a little girl. She lives in a small town with her parents and her dog. Max. Lily loves animals. Every morning, she helps her mom feed the birds in the garden. One sunny day, Lily decides to play outside. She grabs her ball and runs to the garden. Max follows her, wagging his tail. They play for a while, throwing and chasing the ball. Suddenly, Lily hears a soft sound. Meow, meow. The sound goes. Lily stops playing. Max, did you hear that? She asks. Max tilts his head, listening carefully. The sound comes again. Meow, meow. Lily looks around the garden. She checks behind the bushes and under the flowers. Finally, she finds a small kitten hiding under a big bush. The kitten looks scared and hungry. Oh no! Are you lost? Lily asks gently. The kitten meows softly. It has big, sad eyes and white fur with black spots. Lily carefully picks up the kitten. Don't worry, little one. I will help you, she says. She carries the kitten to her house. Mom, look what I found, Lily calls. Her mom comes out of the kitchen and sees Lily holding the kitten. Oh, what a cute kitten, her mom says. It looks hungry. Can we give it some food, Mom? Lily asks. Of course, her mom replies. She pours some milk into a small bowl and places it on the floor. Lily sets the kitten down, and it quickly drinks the milk. You must have been very hungry, Lily says, watching the kitten. After the kitten finishes, it looks much happier. It starts to purr and rubs its head against Lily's hand. Can we keep it, Mom? Lily asks excitedly. Her mom smiles but shakes her head. We should try to find its owner first. Maybe someone in the neighborhood is looking for their kitten, she says. Lily nods. Okay, Mom, how can we find the owner? Her mom says, we can make some signs and put them around the neighborhood. Lily and her mom make a sign that says, Lost Kitten Found, white with black spots. If this is your kitten, please call us. They add their phone number and draw a little picture of the kitten. Then they walk around the neighborhood and hang the signs on trees and street corners. That afternoon, Lily and Max play with the kitten. Lily throws a small ball and the kitten chases it. Max watches, wagging his tail. The next day, a man and a little boy knock on their door. Lily opens the door. Hello, the man says. We saw your sign. My son lost his kitten 2 days ago. We've been looking everywhere. Lily smiles and says, Wait here. She runs to get the kitten. When she brings the kitten to the door, the little boy's face lights up. Mittens, he cries happily. The kitten meows and jumps into the boy's arms. The boy hugs the kitten tightly. Thank you so much for finding our kitten, the man says. You're welcome, Lily replies, feeling both happy and a little sad. She watches as the boy and his father walk away with the kitten. Later that evening, Lily's mom says, You did a wonderful thing today, Lily. You helped reunite the kitten with its family. Lily smiles. I'm glad Mittens is back with his owner. But I'll miss him, she says. Her mom hugs her. You'll always have Max, and who knows, maybe another animal will need your help someday. That night, Lily dreams about the kitten and the fun they had together. She feels proud of what she did and looks forward to helping more animals in the future.